Here I have OnePlus Ace 2V, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture, could be our just home screen, and then press combination of keys, power key plus volume down like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and we got it. So one last time, power key, volume down, and screenshot is taken. So you can find your screenshots in gallery, then in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can send, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.